Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Gonna start up our Ford Bronco here. Runs good. You can hear the fan and the stereo. Dome light isn't working, but it might not have a bulb in it either. Here's your wipers. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. We got a new blinker switch because it's a little funky, so we're putting that in. Horn does not work. We'll take a look at that. Looks like the gauges all work. So there's the new weather stripping and the turn signal switch. Runs really good, air, power steering, power brakes. Nice clean truck. Got dual exhaust, sounds good. Tail lights, which they work. That's and there's your rear window working. So everything works except for the horn and the dome light. So we'll probably get a look at them. Any questions? 605-695-73